Boost your channel from day one. How to set up for YouTube algorithm success. You've watched YouTube videos for years. Now it's time to create your own YouTube channel. In just a few clicks, I will show you how to launch your channel from scratch. No tech skills needed. All you need is your smartphone, an internet connection, your Google account, which is your email, and you are good to go. So stay tuned with me, walking you through the step-by-step way of how to create a channel that attracts YouTube algorithm success. So let's dive straight into it. The first thing you'll be doing is to go straight to download YouTube app. If you don't have it on your phone, you need to download it. And for those who might say, I don't want to download, yes, you can also use a browser to create your YouTube channel. Then the next thing you need is you need to pick a name that you want your channel to bear. And when picking a name, make sure you pick a name that the algorithm can easily detect. You need to add a profile picture, you need to add your channel banner, and you need to add a channel description once you get to create the YouTube channel straight away. And when creating your YouTube channel, make sure you mention your niche and target audience in the description to make YouTube understand your channel. All of this is what I will be showing you in a minute. Let's dive right into it. For those who might not know how a YouTube app looks like, this is a YouTube app here. You can see it right here. It has a white background with a logo, red logo in the middle, with another triangular logo in the middle of the red logo. That is a YouTube app. So all you need is download it. Go to your YouTube mobile app, and it's going to open up this interface for you, where you need to come down to, you can see we have home, we have shorts, we have plus sign, and then we have subscription, and at the last extreme by your right hand down below, we have what I have. You can see you, it means that is you there. So you click on that place. Once you click there, it will load up and show you your emails like this. Once you have this, then you are to pick which email you want to use for your channel. Just click on that email that you want to make use of for your channel, and it will take you right here. Once it takes you here, what you need to do is click on create channel, and you will be redirected to input how you want to appear to the outsiders, how you want to appear to the world, how you want people to see you once they click on your link, or once they click on your name, or once they come across your channel on YouTube. So for this particular one, you are to click on this pencil icon to edit the name if this is not the name you want to make use of. I hope you are getting me. So let's try to edit this. And how do you edit? Once you click on that pencil icon, you'll be able to cancel what the name you have there for you to input your channel name. So for the purpose of this video, I will name this channel Vem Show. Put the name you want your channel to become. You click on save and it will load up and save. You can see it has changed to that. You can use any name you feel like using for your channel. The next thing, if this handle is what you want people to see, you can also make use of it. And if you don't want this handle, you can always edit it to whatever you want them to see. Maybe you want them to see Vem TV, for it to be Vem TV as your handle. So you can see your handle can actually be the same as your name if you are creating it. If that particular handle you want to use is available, it will be showing green. But if it's not available, you will see something under it that says this handle isn't available, try this one. So they are giving you options. So if you don't want to use that, it's literally means you should just use the one that is available as your handle. About how you can edit your handle. So my handle will be the same thing as my name as for this channel. Then the next thing you have to do or you need to do is come right to this place where you have picture of someone's head and camera icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, to take you straight to your gallery where you can then pick any kind of picture you want to make use of. So let me use this picture for example. You can see, then you just need to set it and make sure your face is showing, and then you click on save as profile picture. You save this way and give it time to load up. After loading up, it will bring out that particular picture you have picked. You can see it. So it will bring out the picture we have input our profile picture. We're going to see that by the time we finish creating this, it will take us to see this picture as our profile picture. Next thing is you click on create channel. So once you've put everything in place the way you want it to be, you click on create channel. So here we are, our channel is being created. You can see Vemshulad TV. Yes, that is the channel we just created right now. If you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like this video, please kindly like the video for YouTube to push it to a wider audience. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for you to get notified each time I drop new tips, hooks and hacks on how to grow your channel on YouTube. Thank you, love you, and bye for now.